I happened to be walking through today and I found this piece of cable, and I noticed it's not like regular cable.
That's right. If you notice, you take a look at this wire rope that we have there. You try to pull it out. See if you can do it.
Cannot do it.
Cannot do it. Unlike everybody else's cable, instead of going with a hollow cable and then putting an inner core in later, we start with the inner core and we wrap it around. So there's no gap, no distance at all between it. When we're done, we have one piece. It's like a solid cable.
So you're wrapping the cable rather than just inserting the steel.
That's right. And the reason why we do this is so that when you have one of these machines, you have it in forward, and you start to hit some resistance.
Okay.
The outer coil, being a spring, it wants to coil down. It wants to contract, right?
Right.
But it can't because the wire rope's in the way. So what happens is the cable actually gets stronger to a certain point. It stiffens just when you need it the most, by nature of how we manufacture it.
At the blockage.
At the blockage.
Okay.
Yeah. So this makes it stronger. Now, the reason why I like to bring this up is it's a cable that does the work, right? I mean, the machine is just a delivery system for the cable. If you don't have good cable, then obviously you're not going to be as successful. And our cable has a different feel to it. If you take it and you bend it like this, if you have a hollow core cable, it feels springier, okay? And sometimes guys get that and they say, well, ours feels limp by comparison. And they feel it can't be as good. No, it's the exact opposite true.
Yep, exactly.
Because if you take your time on this and let the rotation eat its way through the obstruction, we can transfer more torque from the motor to the cutting head with this cable than any other cable on the market, okay? So you don't go through as many cables, you can do more work, you can actually make more money with a cable. You'll replace far fewer cables by using ours, the general Flexicore, than any other. And we use it for all of our machines. We have it for all these, the medium, big machines, also even the smallest cables.
So all your cable is Flexicore?
All our cables Flexicore, yeah. So you get that quality built in, no matter what product you get.
The Flexicore difference only at General.
That's right, you got it.
Thank you, Dave.
Thank you.